Volume. 3, 2, 1. Take it through.
Sanibonani bafethu lapha emakhaya. So the podcast isikhathi sakhona, isikhathi seyibhoko, isikhathi sobuthakathi. Yo, it feels weird to say isikhathi sobuthakathi, but it is what it is. Sanibonani lapha emakhaya bafethu once again. So the podcast Paranormal Show, it is the show that you locked in. We'd like to say, guys, you are welcome. Namkelekile. So yeah, it is good to have you, and we know that you appreciate to be with us as well. So yeah. Guys, please don't forget at this moment in time to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button. Yeah, please share our stories. Let us know what you think, Bafetu. Would like to hear from you. Yeah, one day we'll just take time, guys, to share your comments. Yeah, I know, Bafetu. Some of you can send some comments. So we'll just read the funniest, we'll read the weirdest, we'll read the a bit offensive. So, but all is well. We take it as we go along. So thank you so much, guys. Keep them coming. So don't you go nowhere. So when I say something, you're right.
Yeah.
Ukraine.
Yeah, you're right.
Sure. Not too good, nje. Not to some kabangweni yazini uyazibani yazimangusukana le mali le.
Hayi lutho.
Next.
Yeah.
Abakoloti.
Hayi abankoloti.
Akoloti muntu.
Nazi ikoloti ezingako. Shezikolotanyana ezincane.
Ezincane.
Ezingahluphi.
Okay, azihluphi. Awungavumi zikuhlukumete. All right, Sizon. Usivakashele today.
Yebo nginivakashele.
Okay, how did you know about this sort of podcast?
Okay, so to broadcast ngayibona ku TikTok. So ngacabanga ukuthi okay ngibona ukuthi bayanceda abantu nami ngayo sengiya-emaila. Nga-emaila ke ngabona ukuthi ithatha isikhathi vele ukuphendula, but like after 3 months ngabona ke sengiphendula ke ukuthi hayi ungeza ke namhlanje uzosichazisela istory sakho ukuthi.
Oh, you used 3 months.
Yes.
Is that?
Yeah.
Okay, it's good to have you in the show. It's good to have you in the show. Anyways, so awe ukuthi ishow enjani isort of podcast na?
Aware ya ngihlezi ngibukela.
Uhlezi uyibukela. Subscribe.
Yebo ngiyasubscribe.
Are you sure? Phela singakuchecka manje. Manga subscribe singavele sikhathi le recording kulula.
Hayi kakhulu nje kancane ngalesikhathi yebo.
Okay, all right. No, thank you so much. So let us get to know you. Sicela sazi ukuthi igama ubani, owakabani, uphuma kuphi, nokuthi ukhuluma njani, nokuthi ukhuluma umntana onjani.
Okay. All right, igama lami ngubongiwe wakamshengu. Ngihlala Orange Farm. Ngikhulele eMpumalanga, eBedal. Yeah, anyway mina ngikhule ngomntana bekasonta ngoba ngikhuliswe ugogo. So besisonta and mina bengithanda ukuqhula kakhulu ekhwayeni esonto.
Okay.
Yeah.
Umntana onjani nje besides thulile yaphapha. Or yeah.
Ngumuntu oziphaphelayo.
Uyaphapha. Uyaphapha ngempela.
I enjoy ukukhuluma.
Is it? Uthule kanje?
Yo, ngiyakhuluma. Yo,
ufihla indoke emqubeni. All right, so igama uthe
Ubongiwe.
Ubongiwe. Wakamshengu.
Yeah.
Chabalala.
Yebo.
Okay. Okay, Mamshengu, let us get to know why you're here.
Okay. Mina namhlanje ngilana eSoweto broadcast because 2015 ngawumuntu wangasebenzi. So bengihamba edrobheni ngihamba ngifunana nomsebenzi. Mangihamba ngifunana nomsebenzi ke ngafika kwenye ikhampani ngahlangana nomuntu waye on duty. Ngambuza ukuthi ngabe ikhampani le iyaqhasha yini. Wathi cha lutho ayiqhashi kwamanje. Kusase ispace asikabi khona sokuthi ungasebenza. Okay, ngathi alright. Mangiphuma ngegate umuntu wakhona wathi okay, ngicela ungiphi number yakho. Kuzothi mabaqhasha bese ngiyakubiza. Ngathi na okay, ngajika ngamupha i-contact yami ukuthi angifonele mangabe ngiyaqhashwa. Wathi na okay, ngantula ke ngaqhubeka ngamaketha kwezinye indawo. Ngangawuthola kodwa umsebenzi. Ngahamba ngaye endlini. Later ngathola i-phone call yakhe. Wangitshela ukuthi hayi sisendlela umuhle ngayo. Yabo mina nje ngifuna isikhathi nje sokuthi ngixoxe nawe. Ngathi na okay, akunankinga ke singaxoxa. Wathi okay, ngiyaku-invite for lunch over the weekend. Saturday ngizobe off, ngizoku-invite for lunch. Sizokhona ukuxoxa kabanzi. All right.
This was when?
2015.
2015.
Yeah. So Saturday leyo sahlangana wangikhipha ke saye lunchini wazazisa yena ukuthi ubani wakuphi. So ubhuti wakhona ke umuntu obuye eMalawi. So mina nami ngamchazisela ukuthi okay mina okay angishadile uyabona naye wachaza ukuthi okay yena unomama oyingane eMalawi uhlala khona so asumuntu ozayo la eGoli. Mina ke ngamchazisela ukuthi okay nami anginayo boyfriend stable ngoba angikashadi yabona. Alright saqhubeka ke sathandana futhi nje bokumuntu wangiphathe kahle kakhulu because bengasebenzi bekakhona ukuthi aprovide nokuthi maybe mangidinga imali ukuthi ngiqhubeke ngimakethe vele bengiqhubeka ngoba ngumuntu othanda ukuzisebenzela. Okay mangiloko ngiqhubeka ngimaketha ke umuntu wakhona ke sathandana saphathana kahle ngempela. After 3 years together ke ngakhulelwa. Siloko sithukela asengikhulelwe sahamba ke sayoku-check up ukuthi kuyocheckwa naye. Ubhuti wakhona bejabule kakhulu ukuthi okay ukhulelwe.
Mana ngimachabalala lo muntu has someone emakhaya
unonkosikazi emakhaya.
and you knew all of this.
Wangitshela mina ngadecide ukuthi okay ngizoba umfazi waseGoli njengoba umfazi wakhe ahlala emakhaya eMalawi.
Wena I need it time. Machabalala wakwenza lokho
ngempela ngakuyenza.
inhliziyo yakhe ithini ngaleso sikhathi?
Angithi nami phela ngaso sikhathi bengisingile benginganayo boyfriend stable yabona bengibamba ama-piece job so nami bengifuna umuntu obowami ngempela.
Owakho ngempela yena lo lo nomunye owakhe ngempela. Okay asiqhubeke.
So saqhubeka ke sahamba kusho ukuthi mangi 3 months pregnant sahamba sayoku-check up kulaba chaza khona ukuthi ngikhulelwa ama-twins. Hayi ubhuti wajabula ngempela wakenza konke lokho akumele kuyenze yabo. So mase kuhambeni kwesikhathi bokumuntu ukuthi mhlambe after boma 6 months uyahamba uye emakhaya. So kusho ukuthi mayefika emakhaya ke wahamba wavakasha for i-weekend wabuya mayebuya iMandela abuye ngayo ngasecala ngithola ama-phone call okumfazi kusho ukuthi ngi-understand ukuthi okay kusho ukuthi lo mfazi lo uthathe inamba yami efonini yakhe yabona. Wasa-ke umfazi wakhona ngitshela athi hello ngiyazi ukuthi wena uhlala nendoda yami indoda yami ayisasapoti la eGoli. Usisi wakhona bekhuluma i-English yabona. Athi lo baba akasakhona ukusinceda ngoba manje sekanawe and futhi ngiyazi ukuthi ukhulelwe and futhi lento oyenzayo ukungithathela indoda uzoyimela na. Okay ngabe seke mina ngibhekana nale ndoda ngithi hayi wena wawunikeza unkosikazi wakho inamba zami. Indoda kwathola ukuthi ayiyazi lutho ngalento leyo uyabona. Waphika ke ukuthi hayi yena akazi lutho akazange aphane ngecontact zami. Ngambonisa ke ukuthi hayi ngifonela umuntu onkosikazi wakho and uyachaza ukuthi wena awusupport ekhaya and ngenxa yami so mina is not about me ukuthi ungasupport ekhaya. Okay masloke ke sit together ke kwaze kwafike kwashaya isikhathi sokuthini ngihambe ngiyoteta. Mangiyoteta ingane ngadeta ama-twins ayi-2 abafana. Ingane eyi-1 kodwa yashona kwasala eyi-1 umfana. Okay saqhubeka ke siloko sihamba maybe after 6 months lengane yashona nayo leyo umfana is2 elinye i-twins lashona kwase kuphela kanjalo.
So lelo qala lishone nini?
Malizalwa maliqeda ukuzalwa lizalelwe laphila for ama-hours then lashona.
Okay.
Kwase ke kulandela lona uphilile almost 6 months after 6 months washona.
Okay.
Yeah. So mhloko si together kanjalo ke kwathola ukuthi ke nami sengiyaqala ukugula ke and nami ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ngiguliswa i-depression yokuthi maybe ngiluze ingane nale stress salo umuntu lo enginaye. Ngumuntu obleeder like non-stop seloku ngathola labantwana ngibe ngibleeder non-stop. Yeah kungastop so since ngiloko busy ngibleeder. Kwahamba kwesikhathi sahamba naye umuntu ngamtshela ukuthi ayikenzakala so because mina vele benginganayo imali ngingasebenzi ngacela kuye ukuthi hayi ngathi singayobona umuntu angakhona ukuthi mhlawumbe angincede ngoba angazi ukuthi lento ukhostwa yini even nase-clinic bengihamba kuyo beba-check-a ukuthi ngabe kuyenzwa yini kodwa bangatholi ngoba asingumuntu one-high blood bathi nokuyenzakala uma ngabe umuntu one-high blood. Okay, kwathola ukuthi hhayi ngesilungu ngapha emaklinikhi abayiboni ukuthi ikhostwa yini le ndaba. Alright, ngaye emuntwini wahola ubaba sahamba-ke siya emuntwini. Masifika emuntwini bathi hhayi umprofita lona wakhuluma wathi na into yenza ukuthi ugule kanjena into ukuthi uthandana nendoda yomuntu and indoda yomuntu isebenza indoda yayo ukuthi like la malala nawe lezi zinto zingene kuwe so ngokuthi wena uthatha indoda yomuntu so bangisebenze ngaleyo ndlela and ayikho indlela ukuthi ngingaba right ngizobleeda non-stop until ngize ngife. Manje ke lapho bese ngiphethwe i-stress ke kwamele ke manje sikhulume ke nomamkhulu over the phone. Qala ubaba akhulume naye ke nami ke sengiyakhuluma naye ke ngiyaxolisa efonini. Kodwa after that ngiqeda ukuxolisa kuzange kwaba nomehluko kwaloku kuqhubeka kuba kanjalo. Kwaloku kuqhubeka nje kuba kanjalo ngibleeda non-stop. Until ke mina ke ngize ngidecide ke ukuthi okay or ngihlukane naye ngoba like I was undecided bengazi ukuthi ngiyenze njani ngoba sengiyabona nje kuphela ukuthi ngizoze ngife phela manje and nasemzimbeni ngizaqile kakhulu ngokuthi vele bengibleeda too much so angizange ngathola uncedo kanjalo ubhuti sigcine naye sesihlukana ngoba bengibona ukuthi mhlambe mangabe siyahlukana mina naye kuzoyenzeka ukuthi okay ngibe right mhlambe like unkosikazi uzojabula mayingabe simina naye siyahlukana ngahlukana ke ngoba distance ke asanisabonana nobhuti kanjalo but yena bukungekho lula bangimtshela ngithi hayi ngokuthi songifaka enkingeni yabona okungcono mina ngokushiye yena ngoba nami ngingikhetha ukufa ngendaba ukuthi wena ungifaka enkingeni yabo and mina mangifa wena uzobuyela kunkosikazi wakho yeah. Hey.
So manje sekusikhathi esingakanani senahlukana naye lo baba?
Baba sisina 5 years esihlukene manje.
Usasebenza nawe wasebenza khona?
Akasasebenzi ngathi wabuyela ekhaya. Ngoba na ifoni yakhe moto ifoni la vela isangeni. Wabuyela ekhaya eMalawi.
Mamshe ubumthanda lo muntu?
Not actually bengamthandisisi but like ukuthi nje bekangibheja yena hayi yena bekabheja impela bekangenzela yonke into so ngabona ukuthi instead ukuthi manje angisebenze kungcono ngibamba indoda esebenza izokhona ukuthi nginakekele
hey bo ngibamba indoda hayibo mashamala la kwenze njani ngibambe one ibhari la hayibo kanti ubambe ibhari wrong
kanti ngihambe wrong ngaleso sikhathi
So now after the apology, so you think the wife didn't stop ukwenza lento beyiye? So you knew it was the wife that was doing all of this?
Ngoba satshela umuntu sasekuye umuntu obonayo. Sasekumprofita wachaza ukuthi hayi wena uthandana nendoda yomuntu so umfazi wakhona unenhliziyo ebuhlungu la hleli khona because nokondla ingane akasazondli. Sikanakekela wena la eGoli.
So even after the apology?
After apology kwaloku kuqhubeka even namanje akakabe right namanje like ngibleeda non-stop washo ukuthi hayi angeke ngize ngibe right until nje ngize ngife sokuyimpilo nje sengiphila manje.
Yena lo mprofeti washo kanjani?
Washo kanjalo ngoba ngihamba nama special doctor ngihamba nama clinic kodwa kunceda nganex will be right.
Hang on now. So are you saying in a nutshell mele giwe madam?
Ngiyacabanga nje ukuthi hayi should bokumele like angazi nokuthi kula ngingazikhona ukuthi kumele ngenze njani ngoba ngaxolisa efonini ngaxolisa ngempela ngoba nami sengibona ukuthi manje hayi sengizofa nami bengayilindelanga lento ukuthi into ingayenzeki.
Machabalala, not to judge. I just like to get your perspective when you were doing this. Did you think about the repercussions of into beniyenza nalo baba? Or maybe you just saw what, you know what, I'm really in need of someone ozongisiza financial, and the guy himself called you and it's like he offered himself to you. So do you think ukuthi you thought about what you were doing, or even if I thought about it, I wanted the guy ukuthi financially ukuthi ngisizakala?
Khona ngizange ngicabange ukuthi like ekugcineni kungaba kanjena ngoba mina ngiyitshela nje kuphela ukuthi hayi as long as ukhona ukuthi angincede ngizokhona ukuthi nami ngibe nemali ukuthi mali end ngithumelele ekhaya noma kumele ngiye ekhaya ngazi ukuthi nginayo imali yokuthi ngihambe ngivakashele ekhaya. Manje ngoba mangingathola umsebenzi yazi umuntu mawumakethe uyamakethe umsebenzi isikhathi eside ungawutholi boma 3 to 4 years iyaphela lokhu ufuna umsebenzi as long ngana connection la eGoli angeke awutholakala kalolu umsebenzi. So nami ngaze ngabona ukuthi okay uNkulunkulu since abona ukuthi ngifuna umsebenzi vele wangiblessa ngomuntu vele uzonceda.
Ayibo Machabalala wangiblessa hey kunzima kunzima. Akaphi ngesandla?
Bathi akaphi ngesandla bathi nenyawo uyakhahlela.
Nazonya. So you didn't do this out of ukuspita omunye umuntu wesifazana. You meant no harm to the woman.
Akahlahle bengithathele nje ukuthi ngimsebenzisele advantage. Ngokuthi like before siba nezingane bengimiyekela yenza ama phone call right, sometimes uyenza ama phone call or akhulume ku WhatsApp nongikhona. Mara selo ngaba pregnant ngathi hayi ayisayenzeki yonke lento lena. Sekuyimi umfazi phela ngeke ngisayimela lento lena.
Is it? Was that the wrong move for you?
No.
You were protecting what's yours.
Yeah, exactly. Ngithi kuthiwa umuntu uthathe umuntu wini.
Nah, it wasn't yours.
Umuntu uthathe umuntu wini.
Machabalala, it wasn't yours. You were borrowed. You were borrowed. You were sharing.
Yeah, goodness.
You know why I'm asking this? I'm really asking this for a reason. Why? It's because some other people would not have an understanding of why sometimes we as people think in a certain way. Whether the guy agreed to say, let's continue doing this, it will be our secret. Whether you said it's fine, you can still go see your wife and continue. So from someone from outside, when I'm at Chabalala, how could you as a woman do that to the other women? Yegalo, Wesley's, Banchi. I'm just thinking from that line of trying to understand what did you think about the woman? Did you think about the repercussions of what to shoot? Maybe Sibanjwe, and then now there's kids involved, you know. So I'm trying to understand what emkondo in wako. Maybe bazawuhlukana and then you live happily ever after. Did it come to that thought at one stage in your mind?
Yeah, phela I was blind in love ngaleso sikhathi. So mina ngivele ngayitshela ukuthi hayi bazohlukana mina naye sichubeke. Ngangitshele kanjalo ngoba naye ngempela wayethembisa nokuthi awuzolobola.
So he made promises.
Yeah.
So you end up loving the guy.
Yebo, end up singimthanda. Yena bengiphethe kahle.
Yeah.
Bengiphethe kahle ngempela. Ngicamba manga. Support ubenginikeza imali nje, ngiye nasemasaluni, ngenze nenzipho, ngithenga impahla le engifuna ngakhona.
Okay. Some other things you'll never understand until you go through them, ne?
Yeah, ngikwazi.
Usamkhumbula?
Yeah, nginokumkhumbula, especially when it comes mangibroke kanje, nginomkhumbula.
Hayi mara mashabalala wena uyangiqeda. Yabona emalini khona. Umnandi kabi. Awusho ukuthi yamangilonely nje. Hayi mangena. What? Athi mangibroke kanje yamkhumbula. Hayibo.
Indaba after that angaze ngithola umuntu like yongibheja nje ngaye. Seloku ngagqina imali nje ngaye, uye nje umuntu wayengibheja kahle.
And he took good care of you, the guy.
Kakhulu. Nje sometimes nje benginokudla out kuze kuyophela iviki obengamind yena.
Okay, let us go back esikhulume ngokushona kwengane. What did you make out of it?
Okay, ingane maziqeda ukushona, okay le eyi-1 year yangcwatshwa. Kodwa le enye ngoba bekuyi-still born yasala esibhedlela bayikushuthi bayishisa. But le enye ngoba beseyina 6 months yakhona ukuthi ingcwatshwe. So after that ke ngahamba mina ke ngaya ekhaya. Ngaya eMpumalanga ngayenza umsebenzi khona.
So did you then link it to the lady that sat in Malawi, the death of the children?
Asangisamtshela but ngiyacabanga ukuthi like indoda yakhe yena beyishare nayo yonke into ukuthi kuyenzakalani ngami nami.
Is it?
Yeah.
Do you think there's a connection ngokushona kwabantwana ukuthi it could be the woman on the other side? Do you think unesandla?
Yebo, ngicabanga ukuthi unesandla. Ngicabanga ukuthi unesandla ngoba yathi maye phone kusho ukuthi wayithola inamba endodeni. Inamba yami endodeni nezithombe zami. Washo ukuthi uzoyimela lento le oyenzayo na. Washo njalo. Then after that izinto zami azangisahamba kahle nje after ukushona njalo.
So Machabalala makwenzeka zonke lezi makubuza zonke nalembuzo, were you provocative or were you like quiet, maybe responding like in a calm way, like okay no man asibonisane, let's share man, mamela ke silepe arithusane, or were you like ngazohlanya wena nami indoda yami?
Isikhathi esiningi bethi my phone bengithi it's a wrong number. Angiyazi afone futhi achaza igama lami ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngubani. So when I uhlala nendoda yami lapha eGoli ngithi hayi it's a wrong number. It's a wrong number. Na kuma WhatsApp wena ngithumelela ama WhatsApp ngimtshela ngithi hayi maybe angazi ukuthi ufuna bani. Because like it's a wrong number. Mina I didn't expect umuntu ofana na ukuthi angifonele. Yabona athi wena uhlala nendoda yami sibani ngithi na cha ayikho into enjalo. Bengiphika impela.
For the longest period of time, bulokuphika nje more than.
Yeah, angizange vele like nga-argue naye. Vele singumuntu othanda uku-argue. Vele ngayitshela ukuthi uzokhuluma vele but kusala indoda ngihleli nayo.
Ukusala indoda ngihleli nayo. Uyazitiya. Masitiya Machabalala. Yasesahle ngoba naku kudlulile. But how are you feeling now?
I feel right. I feel right. Nginokuyisola ngibuza ukuthi why kodwa ngahlangana nomuntu kanje yabo. Nginokuyisola ngithi kube inkosi yami ngizange ngamqoma nokumqoma phela mina bengingazi ukuthi kungaba kanjeni.
So, but you saying the condition it's still persisting even now. Ukubleeda lo.
Ngisableeda namanje kudala ngihamba inyanga ezihlukahlukene namasonto sengize ngiphelelwe yiyo imali. Ekubeni ngiloko nginganayo vele ngoba ngisebenzi.
I don't know if maybe you don't mind me asking Uti, the churches that you've went to, maybe so that we have an understanding of, okay, this church, nah, it didn't help me, this church. Which church did you attend? Maybe even if you don't call the names, probably maybe just the uniform and whatnot. I couldn't get help, or
Bengihambe ePostoli ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe izonginceda ngoba mina isonto lami i-12 Apostoli engikhulele kulo. So kodwa-ke ngahamba leli sonto le-Apostola, so inaba leyo ebengiyihamba asizinkonzo engisonta kuyo inaba-prophet kanjalo. Ngahamba nesonto lamasotsha le-Edrobheni athi Revelation. Ngahamba khona umakhelwane wami usonta khona, so wangitshela ukuthi hhayi uzoncedeka esontweni uhamba laphaya. Kodwa-ke bekunalento ukuthi vele mase ngihamba ngesontweni ngizibone ngathi kuyastopha nyana, yabona, ngemva kwesikhathi kuphinde futhi kuchubeke nje kuleta.
Uthi nasebantwini uyini?
Ngile nasebantwini.
Still.
Hhayi akulungi next. Nje into khona nje balokhu bangitshela iy'nto ezi-different, kodwa nje ngiyabona nje ukuthi angincedeki ngoba yonke lento ebangitshela yona ngiyayenza. Ngaba ngiphi umuthi bathi hayi phuza lona, wenzeni. Then ngiyiphuze nami ngibe nalo ithemba lokuthi okay manje ngizoba right-ke manje ngoba seside lesikhathi. Hhayi ngempela after lapho-ke ngibona nje ukuthi akuzange kwaqala nje nokustopha. Kwezinye iy'ndawo-ke mangabe kumele ngingene-ke banokuthi vele bangavumi ukuthi ngingene ngoba ukuthi bazi inkinga yami ukuthi yini. Basho ukuthi umuntu esimame akangeni ey'ndumbeni mangabe like asesikhathini. So kunalento lokuthi siconsultane ngamafoni, ngama-WhatsApp, uyabona. Bangitshela ukuthi yenza kanje, ngiqhubeke-ke ngenza kanjalo. So kungabi right nje. Thumela umngani wami ukuthi ahambe angilandele imithi kuleyo nyanga, ngiyisebenzise iziphele. Ngingatholi uncedo.
So it's been like that ever since you got to know this guy till to date. Akunala mhlawumbe ke waphumula ukuthi hayi hade bike yathi 3 months, 2 months yathula and then yabo, so it's just been like that.
Khona kuke kwastopha kodwa kuzange kwaba nayi-3 months, kwakunje 1 month. So manje nakhona nami uncedo bese ngingasazi ukuthi ngilithole kuphi ngoba bese ngihamba iy'ndawo eziningi kakhulu, angiphumuli, even namanje nje angiphumulanga.
So you couldn't
Umuntu
trace
makathi
ukuthi waye kuphi?
Umuntu wathi shona le ngiyashona khona, makathi shona ngapha ngishona khona. So ngesinye isikhathi umuntu athi shona le uthola ukuthi anginayo imali-ke bese ngithi hayi ngizobona uma sengi-right, but ngichubeka ngihambe kwenye indawo.
So at this point in time, anywhere you can get help, awuna nkinga uyaya.
La ngingathola khona uncedo ngempela ngingaya.
Do you see hope in your situation?
Khona ngisesenalo ithemba, nginalo ngempela ithemba. Ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe uNkulunkulu uyangiphanisha nami for lento engayenza komunye umuntu. So ngibona ngathi it's a punishment. Mhlawumbe kuyofika la kundlula khona. Sengiyiduduza ngaleyo nto ngoba ngiyabona nokuthi mangihlezi ngicabanga nje sengiyabona nje ukuthi sengilindilanga nje lami lokufa nje. So ngiyiduduze nje ngalokuthi uzoba right. Nginalo ithemba ngempela.
So meaning, in other words, you did take acknowledgement and responsibility as in I've done someone wrong, so you are paying the rent.
Nami nje sengize ngayimukela ngaleyo ndlela.
So then makunjalo ke mamshwing iyabona iyahluka udaba whereby you acknowledging your fault, it then brings redemption kuwena. Awufani nomuntu oba in denial ukuthi you know what, I've done this woman wrong, and for the fact that you did ask for ukuthi you know what, uxolisa. So sometimes we might even think ukuthi now God is still punishing. Uthola ukuthi you acknowledging at this point in time ukuthi you know what, I take full responsibility. It is now no longer counted for you as ukuthi manje you are still being punished. So say yonke into isala kuwena ukuthi, so what do you think now? What do you think about your situation? Ukuthi if you still believe that I'm punishing you, then the thought and the belief stays, and it continues as you feeling and thinking ukuthi and believing ukuthi I'm still punishing you. Kanti redemption has already been given to you now. You need to believe with now, sekuphelile sekudlulile. You just need to you need to be connected to the right sources that will help you. So this is me thinking about your situation now, Guti. Ngithanda the fact that you did apologize and you took that a step of acknowledging Guti, as in, if be it that which you have got punishile. So yeah, you're taking that responsibility. Awuyali ukuthi no man Hadebe man man umuntu uthathe emntwini man akunamuntu olenge esihlahleni. All these talks, these are the things that really put us into such situations whereby asikhona ukusizakala. Really asikhona ukusizakala. But when you see one sincere and being apologetic and humble about the situation, no, I take full responsibility and I'm sorry. I've learned my lesson. This is where uzwelo nosizo comes in.
Yes.
Honestly, this is where uzwelo nosizo comes in, because I can imagine that for years you've been in this situation. Yeah. When you put yourself into the shoes alone, what would you do?
Yes.
Yeah. Answer? What's your take?
One thing, what was my question? In terms of after, I need to talk after Shunumtano.
Yeah.
So, remember, guys that are playing, didn't make any difference in terms of impilo yako. I need to after I got a phone call, Mama say, Mona, quite chickising. After I met to guys that there's a chickising or without coming the same way.
Akuzange kwaba nomehluko. Nakhona nje mabangigeza lapha ekhaya bebangigeza ukuthi yabona mawushonelwe ngesintu uyugezwe ke ukuthi like ungabi namabhathi la uhamba khona. So nabantu basekhaya ngizange basherele lokho ngendaba ukuthi nami ngibone ukuthi manje ngisengozini kakhulu.
Okay. The Flawless, anything on your side, sir? Okay. Machabala. Yeah, there is hope. There is hope. Hence, I was asking you first, when you look at your life, what do you see? Umubhekela ngamehlo phambili. Mawuthi ithemba likhona ngempela, ithemba liveni libe khona.
Yeah, lona likhona ithemba. Linalo ithemba.
For the fact you're still living till now, it pushes you to believe even more.
Into khona nje ngiyabona nje futhi hayi umuntu okhona mhlawumbe uvele waqhupha nje wathi hayi amantombazana segola ajwayele ukuthi yabona ayenze lento mhlawumbe ya futhi like nalento le ukuthi asumhlobo oyi1 mhlawumbe if besumhlobo oyi1 maybe bekazo understand nyana ukuthi okay ithi ngisala singimzwela ke ngiqhaqhela izinto lezi engizenzile manje ngokuthi uyetshela ukuthi no South African like they lazy yabona manje bafuna ukusebenzela amadoda wethu, that is why etshela ukuthi like uzozala libone nje ithuna.
As you put it like that, that's the notion that it's even happening now with the issues xenophobia and whatnot, which we think ngendlela ithile about one another. Ukuthi siyanazi nina ninje amadoda abantu niyawa istina nasishaya ndlala.
Empela plus sibahle futhi yabona.
Cha yena muhle. Angithi phela unkosikazi uyabukela isowetho podcast. Ngifuna ngifake inkinga uTakwini. Manje bekumele ubatshele ukuthi muhle bekumele uvume. Mahatebe. Wami wena. Umachabalala nomuntu wakhe uJehova mbekele wena ungowami wena. Machabalala. There is hope. There is hope. And help has come for you. I believe this because you are still here. If it was done, we wouldn't be sitting with you here. So that shows what you believe, it's what you receive. That's how I live, man. What I believe will happen to me, it's what I receive. If I think negative, law of attraction tells me what you say into the universe gives it back to you. So if it's negative, you can't get positive. Like attracts like. That's the law of Everett. That's what I've learned in physics. So ibuye sifake naku spirituality, sifake in everyday life. What you put out there into the universe, bounce it and gives it back to you. So the energy you give it back, it's the energy it feeds back to you. So it gives me hope. Ukuthi ukufika uhlale la nathi eSoweto podcast, it still says a lot about you. Ukuthi ngempela la kuboshwe khona kuyokhululwa for the fact that God knows your heart.
Yeah.
More than anything, He knows your heart.
Exactly.
Yeah. Ukuthi you've acknowledged what I've done wrong and I've asked for an apology to lo mama engamenza ngendlela engukuthi nami ngeke ngithande kwenze indoda yami emshadweni wami, whether married or not.
Yeah.
So hence I'm saying that gives me so much hope to tell you what you know what, help has come for you. And it's only a matter of time that you'll see to it will come to pass. So aglahlambele bangakufela. There is hope.
Yeah.
Not this show, it will give you that hope today. There is hope. And you'll come back and testify. Mark these words. This is a mouth that never lies. You will come back and you will testify. Wafethu lapha emakhaya with Destiny Helpers, I know you can see Usisi Manju Machabalala. Yeah, let's do what we do best. Let us reach out to her and do what we do best. Thank you. Wafethu, siyabonga. Machabalala ufikile rikenile nali na rabua, rabontana. Hore, msadi, muna wa moto. Liba ke hani. Mara, you will pay dearly. Unless Ujova tell Musa and Juba tell along your sister Musa. Other than that, some of you will not even have this grace and mercy. It will be just once and then it's all kaput. So you don't want to put yourself in that situation. So ask who's an end of it. What's not yours, leave it alone until you find yours. With those words, I'd like to say, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button. Let us know what you think. How we can help, how we can move forward. Please share that with us. We know you're out there and you're watching. Millions of viewers, which we love so much. Thank you guys.
Okay.
You are coming back to testify.
Okay.
Ayoba, we out.
So